But we'll find that out. This is a song I wrote called Ballad of Joshua David Paul. The raindrops are falling in a waltz 1, 2, 3, and she's left there standing in a New Paltz cafe where the coffee is stale and the papers are yesterday's. 1, 2, 3, chattering wives are standing in the entryway. They're pointing and staring at the girl who is there by the door. 'Cause she's frozen in place with her body in shock, and her mouth hangs agape. She's beginning to rock from the balls of her feet to her heels. She stops and falls to the floor. She says,